Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean the inside of my engine bay. It hasn't really been done in about 2 to 3 months, and when I did get it done, my detailer did it. I did not do it myself, so this will be the first time that I've cleaned my engine bay. Actually, I don't think I've ever cleaned my engine bay myself since I've had it. I know I've cleaned my scats, but I don't think I've ever cleaned this one. I will be showing you guys what it looks like before. I'll also show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So this is what I'm using. Trust me, I have done my research. It is perfectly fine for the engine bay. It won't cause any harm. So now we're gonna get started right after this intro.
Hella shameless, you saw me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinach for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah.
So you guys can see how dusty it is. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. I don't even know what this white stuff is. There's some over here too. I did cover the intake up, but yeah, it is long overdue. Like really overdue. I probably should have done this a month ago, but I did want to do a video like this before I get this portrait blower swapped out with something else. If you know anything about car parts right now, everything is on back order, and let's just say I've been waiting 10 million years for this new blower, and finally it's coming in this week. And yeah, I'm excited. I really can't wait. I can't wait to do a video on that. I know that the last time I did a video on a blower swap, it went crazy, so definitely looking forward to that. I will also be getting the hood as well. I've seen a couple videos where people will do the engine bay, but they'll just skip right over the hood. I want to be doing the hood too, so yeah. Like I said, this is my first time cleaning the engine bay, so if I can do everything else on this car, I am sure that I can handle this perfectly fine. So yeah, let's get started. What I do find to be a little bit difficult is getting in the crevices. So I'm not gonna just spray down in there. I'm gonna spray it on a towel and make sure it's saturated and then wipe it up from there. Start from the back though. Which seems to be doing the job. from the towel that I was using, but other than that, it looks way cleaner. It's definitely coming along well. It's actually able to get deep down in there as well. I'm gonna try to get down on this side a little bit more. So I finished majority of this side. I took the plastic bag off because like I said, I'm mostly finished with this side. Now I'm going to do the same thing that I did on this side. I'm also gonna clean as much as I can on the supercharger. I'm gonna finish the front here, and then I'm gonna start on the hood. As you can see, a lot of the dust, debris, and extra lint that was everywhere is gone. I will say the most challenging part about all of this was getting in here. I got in it to the best of my ability, but yeah, looks so much better. Like I said, I probably should have did this a month ago, but better late than never, right? So yeah, I think it looks a lot better. Looks a lot cleaner. And yeah. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.